Lakshmi, Head Adishankara International Center for Peace and Yoga and disciple of Acharya Sri Rajendra Damodara Enkanamule. Etadapi Gamishyate. This too will pass. But it seems really terrible when we fail to spot the origin and the ultimate extent of COVID-19. At the same time, the prolonged homestay is leading to some sedentary behavior as well. At this scenario, we can counteract with some restorative yoga pattern like Supta Vajrasana, which is also a stress buster. First in Sidila Dandasana, relaxation sitting posture. Feet apart, fingers pointing outward, trunk inclined backward. Let the head hang freely behind. Come to Sthiti Dandasana. Heels together, palm by the side of the buttocks and spine erect. Step 1. With normal breath, fold your right leg. Step 2. Fold your left leg. This is Vajrasana. Sit erect comfortably, with buttocks resting in both the heels and palm resting on the thighs. Step 3. With a partial inhalation, recline slowly backward, taking your body weight completely on both the elbows. Step 4. With complete inhalation, lie flat on the back. Keep the hands crossed above your head and carry over with the normal breath. This is Supta Vajrasana, reclined pose of Vajrasana. Maintain your normal breath as long as you can. Step 5. As in step 3, with a partial inhalation, carry over your body weight on your elbows. Step 6. Complete inhalation, come to Vajrasana. Sit erect and comfortable. Step 7. With the normal breath, release your right leg. Final step 8. Release your left leg and come to relaxation Sidila Dandasana. This contributes 1 count of practice. After a few seconds of normal breath, you can come to Sthiti and can retrieve from the posture. As you have seen, in the final posture of Supta Vajrasana, it promotes the circulation of blood to the brain, enhances your creativity and intelligence, and reduces your aggressive mood and relaxes the mind. As the chest is widely open, it is found beneficial for the people suffering from bronchitis, asthma and other lung-related ailments. It is also recommended for the people suffering from varicose vein, flat foot and arthritis. It stimulates the lumbar vertebra, but at the same time it is restricted for the condition of slip disc, knee injury and cervical spondylosis. As the treatment and intervention of COVID-19 still remain unanswered, we can safeguard ourselves by practicing healthy yoga pattern like this. You're watching Wealthy Yoga Tips for a Healthy Life. For the new video updates, you can subscribe our channel and press the bell icon below. Soon we will meet again with another yoga tip. Hari Om.